Oh, hi. It's me. So there's a lot of people, not a lot, just a few, that have been getting sick, like cold type symptoms and stuff. And I get like this season is calling for it, like sickness and illness. However, for those of you that are completely like detoxing your body and like doing something new, getting rid of all that processed crap, working out, I'm going to tell you it's kind of like a shock to your system. And it might take a day for it to like catch up and like just, I'm rambling here, but eyes on the prize. What you're doing is good because you're getting rid of that stuff in your body, okay? So keep doing it. Definitely rest while you're sick. Drink plenty of fluids. Keep eating that real clean whole food, and you will rebound a lot faster than um, normally. But I wanted to wait till after flu season to announce this. But knock on wood, um, before like becoming a Beachbody coach, I was healthier. Um, I kind of started doing stuff on my own in March. I did T25 all by myself and really didn't follow a meal plan, but started eating healthier and real food. But I didn't really start clean eating until I became a coach and understood what it was. So I had a kind of a gradual process, where some of you are like completely getting rid of stuff. And I'm not saying you can't have it in the future because, what's life? Like I said in my lengthy nutrition video, if you can't have some of the things that you enjoy, sometimes, but just remember to keep it in moderation and then think to yourself, like, if your body's getting sick from your ridding things, that's maybe a sign that it shouldn't be there to begin with. Oh, food for thought. I'm crazy. But yeah, you know this already. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.